a century, automobile manufacturing has been an essential aspect of Ohio's economy, employing thousands upon thousands of workers. While some assembly line work has been taken over by automation, there is still a need for workers to install everything from back brakes to back seats. Sherry Gaunt makes her living in auto manufacturing. She and her co-workers work regular shifts at an auto assembly plant in northern Ohio.
I'm a material handler. What I do, I move materials, raw metals from a staging point out to the line. And then I bring the empties back out and have them refilled and bring them back out to the line.
For every manufactured product, there's a specific kind of factory, from basic steel making to final product assembly.
We're a metal fab plant. Actually, we press the metals, and now that we have the body sides part over there with us, the B side they call it, we're able to build the shell, the metal part of the car. So that's the assembly part for us, which is the B side. The B side is the assembly part, which then it continues over to our sister plant that actually dresses the whole car out.
In nearly every modern factory, the work is often divided among diverse team members.
There's 12 different jobs in my group, so every day I'm doing a different job. So I could be on the fork truck, loading and unloading the parts. I could be driving the parts in and out and bringing the empties back, or I can be what they call satellite, and that's where I'm on a monitor. And that's where you're able to, what happens, the operator, when they need those parts, they push a button, it comes up on your monitor, you have to go and you have to take the empty out and push in the full parts.
Each team member's workflow helps to keep the inventory in place to keep the assembly line running.
There's parts that will, if you're not there on time, will halt production, and there's other parts that will not affect it right away. You know how to put those jobs back so that the people helping you, because you help each other, so you're a team.
And as a team, each member needs to understand what the other team members are doing.
To me, the biggest part is being able to communicate and get along with others, because you got to work with other people, and you got to know, you have to have that respect part where everyone's different. Not everybody's going to be nice every day, but you don't take things personally, and bring a positive attitude. With teamwork, you want to help each other. Sometimes I might be not as fast as you are, or I might have something hurt. My shoulder may hurt today, my leg. Are you going to be that type of person to say, hey, I'll help you out? That's important, that people know that you have their back, because physical, you're in a very physical field. You want to get your sleep and you want to eat right and take care of yourself. But on top of that, you really, to get the best out of it is to be able to communicate with that person and be able to be a team player.
Like nearly everywhere else in modern society, factory team members must know how to use the latest technology.
You need to be able to go out there and go to the net, be able to and make sure that you can educate yourself. There's a lot of things that you can't do, just hearsay. You got to be able to go and research. So it's very important. Computers are real important. We use them every day.
The language of the factory must be learned by everyone on the factory floor.
Well, the languages are numbers with us. It may describe the part very briefly, but it will be cut out. The words are not, it's not a full word, like it won't say metal, and so you know the numbers. You get to know the numbers, and you get to know when you read the part, you'll say, okay, that goes there. But yeah, and then they give you the size of the dolly that the part is actually on, and the location. We do a lot of locations by what they call column numbers, column locations. But for those learning, they have all those, parts on that monitor, so you know exactly where to pick the part up and take it to. They have manifests that are on the side of the car. So when it's all on what you're doing. If I'm putting on lights, there's like 4 different type of. I have to read that manifest to know which one I'm picking up to put on to that to dress that car out. You have to put the right part, because every car is not exactly the same.
So how should you prepare yourself for this kind of work?
They want them to have a high school diploma or a GED.
Okay. Factory work is fast-paced and often financially rewarding.
I like being able to be mobile inside the plant. I like going out. I get to speak to everybody, see everybody, because I'm working different places all the time. And I have wheels. I have transportation all day. I love that part of it. There's always changes, because in order for General Motors to keep competitive, because we need jobs.